Greetings and welcome to Yard Mojo, your channel for yard and garden trends. Today we're diving into 8 high-impact ways to spend $100 in a small yard. Stay tuned as we embark on a journey to transform your yard into a beautiful oasis, all on a budget. First up is the ever-versatile container garden. If you're restricted by space or budget, these little gems are perfect for you to grow a variety of plants. Container gardens can house an array of flowers, herbs, and even small vegetables, making them a gardener's delight. They're not only practical, they're also pleasing, adding a splash of color and life to any corner of your yard. But perhaps the best thing about container gardens is their flexibility. Want to change the look of your garden? Simply rearrange your containers. Fancy a new plant? Swap out the old for the new. Container gardens are a perfect blend of flexibility and creativity, all within your budget. Next, let's talk about mulch and edging. Imagine the transformation that a neat, crisp edge can bring to your garden beds. It's not only for looks though. Edging keeps grass from creeping into your flower beds and the mulch from spreading to the lawn. Now, let's talk about mulch. It's more than just a pretty face. It works hard to hold in moisture, suppress weeds, and eventually break down to enrich the soil. Plus, it gives your garden a finished look. It's like putting a frame around your masterpiece. Mulch and edging, your secret weapon for a neat and healthy garden. And moving on, let's create some structure with a DIY pathway. It can guide you through your garden, connecting different areas and provide visual form to the overall yard design. But how to do it without breaking the bank? The answer lies in inexpensive aggregates. Think pebbles, gravel, or crushed stone. With a little planning, these materials can be combined to form creative pathways that are functional and visually pleasing. Choose a color that complements your plants and flowers. Also consider dotting the path with solar lights for a magical nighttime effect. Remember, the path doesn't have to be straight. A winding pathway can add a sense of mystery and excitement to your garden. A DIY pathway is an impactful addition to your yard. Next, we climb to new heights with vertical gardening. When short on ground space, going vertical can be a game changer. This efficient gardening method makes use of a vertical format like trellises, obelisks, and hanging baskets. They allow you to cultivate a large number of plants within a small yard. Think of it as a high-rise for your plants. You can grow anything from trailing vines and lush ferns to aromatic herbs or even small fruits and vegetables. The sky's the limit. Not only is this a practical solution, but it also adds an extra dimension of interest and beauty to your yard. Vertical gardening, a smart solution for a small yard. Now let's look at how old furniture can find new life in your yard. Repurposing furniture isn't just a buzzword, it's a creative way to bring character to your outdoor space. An old bench, a forgotten chair, or even a weathered table can transform into a unique focal point with a little creativity. Picture this, a chair planter filled with vibrant blooms, or a rustic bench serving as a cozy reading spot under your favorite tree. It's about more than just saving money, it's about giving a second life to items that were once loved. And the best part, you're reducing waste by giving these pieces a new purpose. Repurposed furniture, a charming and eco-friendly choice. As the sun sets, it's time to shine a light on outdoor lighting. This element can transform your yard from a daytime oasis to an enchanting nighttime paradise. There are several options to consider, each with its own charm and benefit. Solar lights, for instance, are an eco-friendly choice that harnesses the power of the sun during the day to keep your yard aglow at night. String lights weave a fairy tale ambiance, adding a soft, magical glow to your outdoor space. Candle lanterns are another fantastic choice, casting warm, flickering light that dances and plays off your surrounding. Each of these options can be easily implemented into your yard, suiting a variety of styles and budgets. Outdoor lighting, illuminating your yard in style. Now, let's make a splash with budget-friendly water features. Imagine the soothing sound of water trickling in your garden or yard. It's not just a luxury for those with big budgets. With a little creativity, you can create your own tabletop fountain or DIY bird bath. You can find kits for tabletop fountains that are easy to assemble and maintain. A DIY bird bath, on the other hand, could be as simple as a shallow dish on a pedestal. These features not only add visual interest to your yard, but also create a calming ambient sound. They can attract local wildlife too, adding another layer of life and movement to your outdoor space. Water features, a tranquil touch to your yard. Finally, let's add a personal touch to your outdoor space with accessories. Just as the right tie can complete an outfit, the perfect outdoor cushion or rug can bring your yard to life. These pieces serve as an extension of your style, injecting a pop of personality into your outdoor oasis. Consider vibrant, weather-resistant cushions that breathe new life into your patio furniture. An outdoor rug can also define a space, making it more inviting. And don't forget about decorative accessories. A well-placed garden gnome, a whimsical birdhouse, or even a wind chime could be the perfect finishing touch. These elements not only add visual appeal, but also make your yard uniquely yours. Personalization, the final touch to your perfect yard. Perfect. That wraps up our list of high-impact ways to spend $100 in a small yard. We've journeyed through container gardens, mulch and edging, DIY pathways, vertical gardening, repurposed furniture, outdoor lighting, water features, and personal touches. Remember, you can cut costs even further with DIY options, garden club swaps, upcycling items, and classified ad giveaways. Thank you for tuning in to Yard Mojo today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening and yard improvement tips and tricks.